Hello, Vintage Outboard Motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. Today's video is going to be a really special video for me. It's going to be the Ray from Omaha first Restoral. There's a backstory to this. There's going to be 3 parts to this video. The first part is going to be the story of Ray from Omaha. I'm going to give you some background on Ray's special character, made a friend out of me. And the second part is going to be a video that Ray made of his Restoral that he sent to me that I'm going to share with you. And then the third part of this video is going to be a toast that I'd like to make to Ray for his accomplishment. All right, so if everybody's ready, here we go. All right, so part 1 of this video is the Ray from Omaha story. It's really unique, a unique character that I met over the phone first time. So before I do that, I just want to give a little prelude to what kind of attracted me to become a friend of Ray's. So I get a lot of calls about outboard motor restoration because of this YouTube channel. I get a lot of messages, text messages. I get a lot of messaging through my YouTube channel. And my goal of this channel is to make a video for everything you would need to know to restore or repair or work on these vintage outboard motors, the Johnson and Evinrudes, 3 horsepowers to 18 horsepowers. So when someone calls me or text me and asks me a question that I have a video on, I just automatically send them a link to the video or tell them to look for the video in my channel. And I get a lot of that. It doesn't aggravate me when somebody calls me and I have a video channel already. I really don't mind. I don't mind taking the time to help people and give them the link. But what I really like is when someone calls me and either has a question about the video or a question that I don't have a video on. And that's what cues me to make a video. Okay, so because I want to have a video for everything. Well, here's the Ray backstory. So I guess about 6 months ago in the dead of winter, I'm at my fishing camp out in Toledo Bend and I get a phone call. A guy on the other end says, "This is Ray from Omaha and I would like to ask you a question about an outboard motor I'm restoring." I said, "Sure, I'll give you 5 minutes of my time." So he asked me a question. I don't remember what the first question was. I answered him. Either didn't have a video of it or it wasn't in the video. Don't really recall the first call, but started getting calls from Ray periodically. About every week or two I'd get a call from Ray. Well, in my mind I'm saying, okay, this guy's becoming a bother. But then it dawned on me that he had looked at all of my videos and had a question that I hadn't covered or a video that I didn't have. So when he would call, I would say, "Ray, I'm gonna make a video of that, and I'm gonna mention your name in the video that you requested this, and you'll get that video on my channel in a day or 2." And sure enough, Ray would get the video. I think one of them was the throttle linkage on a 9.9, the rack and link, the gears have to match up, and I showed him how to put a mark on the handle to solve that problem. I made a video, called me and thanked me for making the video. So it ended up, he would make his calls nice and short, 5 minutes, question, thank you, how's the weather, how you doing? So it ended up to build a little friendship between Ray and I. And then I got a call about a month ago, and Ray said, I'm finished with my motor, and I'm gonna make a video of it, and I'm gonna send it to you, thanking you for helping me with this motor. Maybe you could put it on your YouTube channel. All right. So I questioned Ray and said, "Does it run? You've restored it, Ray, but does it actually run?" And Ray said, "I don't know." He said, "I'm not strong enough to pull the rope. I restored this motor for my son, and he's going to be coming up, and he's going to pull the rope and try to see if it runs. And I'm going to send you the video." So here we go. I'm going to show you the video of Ray Massey and his first Restoral, which is a 1967 9.5 Evinrude. I think you'll enjoy this video. Here we go now.
My name is Ray Massey. in Omaha, Nebraska. I rebuilt this Evinrude 9.5 with the help of T-Mike in Louisiana. And I bought some parts for him. He sells parts on eBay under his T-Mike name, Vintage Outboard. And I watch his videos on YouTube, and anytime I have a problem, I just call him, and he's been a big help to me, and I made a new friend with T-Mike.
What year is this? 1967?
67.
And what all did we do to it?
Put a new coil point, rebuilt the carburetor, put a new water pump in it, redid the blower unit, and painted the whole body. This is what it looks like with the top on it. What it looks like with the top on.
All new paint?
All new paint. Runs good.
First time we started it, 3 poles, it fired right up. Been sitting for 20 years. See if we can get it going.
Well, how about that video? Isn't that something special? That's Ray and his son with their first Restoral that runs great, and Ray did a super fantastic job. Motor looks excellent. I'm so glad that I was able to help Ray and do his motor, and I want to invite any of you subscribers out there that want to send me a video of your Restoral, and I would happily put it on my YouTube channel, and we can share it with everybody on the community. And it just makes my heart feel so good to be able to help somebody, especially such a nice gentleman such as Ray Massey. So I'd like to propose a toast to Ray Massey. I got my favorite cold beer here, a Red Stripe. I'm gonna give everybody a chance out there to go out and get you a beer, get you a little shot of bourbon, your daily whiskey, or a glass of water, or a Coke. Go ahead, pause the video now. Go out and get your beer or your drink in your hand, and come back and we'll make a toast. I'm gonna give you all time to do it now. All right, hopefully everybody's got their drink, and I'm gonna make the toast. Here's a toast to Ray Massey from Omaha, or as I know him, Ray from Omaha. Congratulations on your Restore. You did a great job. Here's to you. All right, I enjoyed this video. It's the best of any video I've ever done. All right, thanks again, Ray. Hope y'all all enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Hope you enjoyed the video here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards. We're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!